Fortinet Network Security Expert, NSE. 1. Network Security Fundamentals is an entry-level course designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of network security fundamentals. The course is designed by Fortinet, a global leader in high-performance cybersecurity solutions. The NSE 1 course is the first step on the path to becoming a Fortinet Network Security Expert. The course is divided into 6 modules that cover the basics of network security. The modules are as follows. Cybersecurity Introduction. This module provides an introduction to cybersecurity and the challenges faced in the modern world of digital communication. It covers the basics of cybersecurity, including the types of attacks, the importance of cybersecurity, and the key concepts of network security. Security Fabric. The Security Fabric module provides an overview of Fortinet's Security Fabric architecture, which is a comprehensive security framework that provides end-to-end security across the entire network. It covers the different components of the security fabric, including the FortiGate Firewall, FortiAnalyzer, and FortiManager. Network Security. The Network Security module covers the basics of network security, including the OSI model, routing and switching, and the different types of network attacks. It also covers the different types of firewalls, including stateful and stateless firewalls. Security Threats and Mitigation. The Security Threats and Mitigation module covers the various types of security threats, including malware, phishing attacks, and denial of service (DoS) attacks. It also covers the different types of security measures that can be used to mitigate these threats. Security Products. The Security Products module covers the different types of security products, including firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDPs, and virtual private networks, VPNs. It also covers the different types of security services, including antivirus, anti-spam, and web filtering. Security Operations Center, SOC. The SOC module covers the basics of security operations centers, including the different roles and responsibilities of the society team members, the tools and technologies used in the SOC, and the processes and procedures used to detect and respond to security incidents. The course also includes hands-on labs that provide students with practical experience in configuring and using Fortinet's security products. The labs cover the following topics. 1. FortiGate Firewall Configuration. Students learn how to configure a FortiGate firewall to provide network security. 2. FortiAnalyzer Configuration. Students learn how to configure a FortiAnalyzer to collect and analyze network traffic. 3. FortiManager Configuration. Students learn how to use FortiManager to manage multiple FortiGate firewalls. 4. Security Fabric Integration. Students learn how to integrate different components of the security fabric to provide end-to-end security across the entire network. Overall, the NSE 1 course provides students with a comprehensive understanding of network security fundamentals and hands-on experience with Fortinet security products. It is an excellent starting point for individuals who want to pursue a career in cybersecurity or for IT professionals who want to enhance their knowledge of network security. To enroll in the NSE 1 course, there are no prerequisites required. However, it is recommended that students have a basic understanding of networking concepts and IT terminology. Additionally, the course is available online and can be completed at the student's own pace, making it ideal for individuals with busy schedules. In conclusion, the Fortinet Network Security Expert, NSE 1 Network Security Fundamentals course is a comprehensive and practical course that provides students with a solid foundation in network security. The course is suitable for individuals who want to pursue a career in cybersecurity or for IT professionals who want to enhance their knowledge of network security.